Think websites are made by geniuses with advanced math skills? In the next 15 minutes, you'll write HTML yourself and finally understand how the entire internet works. A website is not magic and not design. It's just text that the browser reads and turns into a page. HTML is the skeleton of a website. It defines structure and order. Without it, everything falls apart. You don't need expensive software or a powerful computer. A browser and a free code editor are enough to start. The index.html file is the entry point of any website. If it opens in your browser, you're already on the right track. Remember this trick: exclamation mark and tab. Your editor instantly creates the base of every HTML document. Every HTML document follows a clear structure. Everything on the site lives inside the HTML tag. The head is the brain of the website. Users don't see it, but browsers and search engines absolutely do. Everything you write inside body instantly appears on the screen. This is where the visible part of your site lives. Headings define the meaning of a page. H1 is the main heading, and there should only be one of it. Browsers don't understand line breaks like Word does. That's why text should always be wrapped in paragraph tags. Lists are used everywhere: menus, features, descriptions. UL is the container, and each item is an LI. When order matters, use an ordered list. The browser handles numbering for you automatically. Links connect the entire web together. The href attribute tells the browser where to send the user. Images make a site feel alive. The alt attribute helps search engines understand what's in the image. Attributes are extra settings for elements. They extend what tags can do and prepare them for styling and scripts. Div is a universal container. Most website layouts are built entirely from these blocks. Span is used for precise inline changes. It lets you target part of text without breaking the layout. Forms allow websites to interact with users. Logins, signups, and requests all start with a form. The input tag is one of the most flexible in HTML. It can be a text field, password, checkbox, and more. A button represents action. Without it, a form doesn't actually do anything. Tables are meant for data, not layout. Think of them as Excel inside the browser. Semantic tags help browsers and Google understand your site structure. This is what clean, professional HTML looks like. Now we're putting everything together. This isn't theory anymore. It's a real website. You've just learned the fundamentals of HTML. In the next video, we'll style this site with CSS. Subscribe and keep going.